What happens when a regular person uploads 3 faceless YouTube videos using AI with no editing, no camera, and no experience? One of those videos lands on page 1 of YouTube in one of the most competitive niches out there, finance. And that single video goes on to earn over $1,000 in a week from YouTube ad revenue and from affiliate commissions. No virality, no personal brand, no talking head, no ring light, just smart automation and the right system. This is VidFortune AI, the tool that's breaking every outdated YouTube strategy in the book. Hey, I'm Yogesh Agarwal, and for the last 4 years, I built tools that have helped over 200,000 marketers earn online with less stress and fewer moving parts. My software has generated over $5 million in sales across Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and other marketplaces. And one thing I've learned from working with thousands of digital marketers, including total beginners, they don't want more complexity. They don't want another guru method. They want a way to win online that actually feels possible. That's why I created VidFortune AI, the most complete system I've ever built. But before this, I had already made video tools, and they were good. People used them every day. They generated scripts, voiceovers, visuals, even basic editing. Users loved them. They created videos faster than ever before. But here's what broke my heart. They still weren't earning. They had great content, but in the wrong niches. They were uploading daily, but to channels that weren't monetized. They were pushing $5 affiliate offers in low CPM topics like pets or motivation. Their videos were getting views, but their wallets were empty. And that's when it hit me. The tools weren't broken, the strategy was. So I started asking, why do some videos make real money while others just don't? That's when I uncovered the real lever, CPM. It stands for cost per mil or cost per 1,000 views. YouTube doesn't pay you for going viral. It pays you based on what your video is about. A budgeting video in a finance niche, $30 to $50 per 1,000 views. A motivational video with music and quotes, maybe $2 CPM on a good day. It was like a light bulb. I realized I didn't need to chase more views. I needed to chase more valuable views. And that shift became the heartbeat of VidFortune AI. We built it not just to help you make videos, but to choose the right niche, the right keywords, the right affiliate offers, and to get you ranked fast. No camera, no editing, no YouTube influencer nonsense. Just a system designed for one thing, turning videos into income. And it's working. Let me read you a few real testimonials. Garab Bora, a 7-figure affiliate marketer, said, as someone who's done over 7 figures in affiliate promos, I usually avoid flashy video tools, but VidFortune AI caught my attention. It aligns perfectly with how I scale, automated, high tippet, and built for ROI. Still testing it on a new channel, but if the first few uploads are any sign, this is a sleeper weapon for affiliate marketers. And check this one out. Manoj, a total beginner, shared this. I'm brand new to YouTube and honestly a bit scared to try again after failing with my first channel. But VidFortune AI makes everything feel doable. I've created 2 videos so far, and just seeing them come together without me doing any editing feels amazing. For the first time, I feel like I can win. That's it right there. Belief. That's what VidFortune AI gives people. Belief that this time it can actually work. We're already seeing videos getting ranked on page 1 of YouTube in days, not months. We've got faceless channels that are already monetizing from both affiliate sales and YouTube ad revenue. And these are videos made in under 10 minutes with 0 prior YouTube experience. So what exactly is inside VidFortune AI, the world's first ever AI video tool that lets you create faceless YouTube videos, rank them in high CPM niches, and monetize from ads plus affiliate commissions with 0 editing, talking, or YouTube experience required? Here's what you get inside. High CPM, niche discovery, find profitable, low competition niches that actually pay, already built in. AI script writer. Just enter your topic and the AI generates a monetized, niche-optimized script in seconds. Human-like AI voiceovers, no robotic junk. These are ultra-realistic voices that hold attention. Automated video builder. The tool assembles visuals, B-roll, motion graphics, and captions automatically. SEO booster, built-in keyword research, optimized titles, tags, and descriptions that get you ranked fast. Affiliate integration tools add call to actions, overlays, and affiliate offers inside your videos. Multilingual content creation. Create faceless videos in multiple languages and dominate globally. Batch creation. Easily create weeks worth of content in one session. All in one place. One dashboard, no tech headaches, no piecing together 5 different tools. This isn't just software. It's a done-for-you, you-too income engine. And I want you to imagine this. You wake up, you check your phone, you see a $162 affiliate payout from a video VidFortune AI created for you last week. You didn't edit it, you didn't film it, you didn't write a word, you just clicked a few buttons. And now, your channel earns more per month than your old job. Automated, predictable, scalable. It's like a second paycheck that never takes a sick day. That's not a fantasy, that's what VidFortune AI can help you achieve. And here's what makes it different. Other tools are built to create videos. VidFortune AI is built to create income. Every feature is designed for monetization. From picking high CPM niches and ranking with SEO to inserting affiliate offers and scaling across global markets with faceless, multilingual content. So if you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube income machine, if you're tired of guessing, quitting, or getting ghosted by results that never show up, then click the button below. You'll get instant access to VidFortune AI. You'll go from, I don't know where to start, to, I just ranked a video in 24 hours faster than you thought possible. And here's the best part. You're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try the tool, use every feature, upload content. If you're not excited by what it can do, if you're not seeing traction, ranking, or earnings potential, we'll give you a full refund. No support drama, no screenshots, no stress. Just email us and your money is back. You have zero risk and everything to gain. And yes, when you join today, you're not doing this alone. You'll get step-by-step training videos, live coaching sessions with me and the team, priority support whenever you need help. We don't just sell software, we build success stories. But listen carefully, this is a founder's deal. Which means, right now, you can get lifetime access to VidFortune AI for a one-time payment. No subscriptions, no monthly charges, but once this launch closes, we're switching to monthly pricing and this deal will be gone, so don't wait. Click the button below and lock in lifetime access to VidFortune AI before the doors close. Let's build your faceless YouTube empire together. See you inside.